This video we are going to see one more Java program for BlueJ environment. Children, first of all I would like to tell you what is BlueJ. So BlueJ is an IDE which is integrated development environment, and it has been developed to teach Java to the student at introductory level. So children, here in this program we will see how to calculate the area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle using the scanner class. So in the previous some classes you got I know that you got the concept of scanner class, and the same we will be revising here. So here the name of the class is rectangle. So just open it. Now control A, delete, and now here class rectangle. So children, first of all just write public static void main string args. This is the syntax of the main method, which is exactly same every time. Now before I'm just going to use this scanner class, I need to import the package related. So that is the util package, and here the scanner class I would like to initialize, and this is the syntax of creating the object of the scanner class, which is the name of the scanner class. Here it is the name, and this is the object of the scanner class, and which cannot be a Java keyword, and this new keyword which is used to allocate some memory space to this newly created object, and this is after one space another time we need to write a scanner, and within this bracket you need to write system.in. So children, this system.in basically represents input stream. It basically represents input stream, which is input stream which is connected with the keyboard. So this stream is actually responsible for receiving the data from the keyboard. So you must know what is system.in. And anywhere if I am writing system.out, so it simply means it is output stream which is connected with the output devices. So now for calculating the area of rectangle, what you need to do is just to declare some variables. So here I have got a variable double type which is for length, and here another variable I have got with double type which is for breadth. So after that you need to declare one more variable for the area and one more variable for the diagonal. And here now you just enter the values for the length and breadth. Enter length. So here length is ss dot next double. Children, this is the function of scanner class next double, and it will invoke input stream to receive the data of double type, and that will get stored in this length variable. So now after this you need to input the breadth of the rectangle. So here system.out.println, enter this breadth, and here this breadth is ss dot next double. Children, now both the values we have entered in terms of length and breadth, and now we have to calculate the area of the rectangle. So apply this formula, which is length into breadth, and at the same time you need to children, I'm not going to calculate the diagonal here, rather than I'm just going to calculate the perimeter. So diagonal we will be calculating in next few classes. So it is perimeter, which is 2 into which is length plus this breadth. So this is the formula, and after that you need to print the area, and the area is this area, and after that system.out.println, the perimeter is this peri. So children, here I got both the values. Now children, I would like to compile this program. So compilation in BlueJ we can do in using, there are two methods. One is just by pressing this button at the top. You see that class compiled, no syntax error. And now here again I am just putting the semicolon, and see, still we need to combine. So there is a shortcut, that is Control K. So if you press this Control K, the current Java program in BlueJ will be compiled. So after that you need to close this. So closing also we can do by two different methods. First of all, by pressing this close button, or if you don't want to press this close button, we can use Control W. So using Control W also we can close the current Java program in BlueJ, and after that you need to just the program is compiled, and then select this void main string arg, the second command in the menu. So just click and then press OK here. You see that here it is asking for the value to input in terms of actually for the rectangle, so which is suppose 120, and here it is the next value is 100. So now you see that the area is 12,000 square units and the parameter is 440 units. So I hope you all have understood this concept of compilation and executing Java program in BlueJ, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.